going to hit the building, isn't he? Not quite. Oh, I just hit the other police car. Oh, we're getting close, we're getting close, we're getting close, we're getting close. Oh, we got him. Ah, and the police car got us. Shit. Back on it. Oh, he's coming straight towards us, look. Oh, look, we're going to play chicken. He's going to chicken. Oh, missed him. Crap. Oh. There we go. Oh, no. Bastard. Here we go. No. Oh, sharp turn. Don't keep going down. Come on. Oh, this looks good. This looks good. We're going to get him. I think I came off worse than he did. He's not going to squeeze through there. He's squeezing through there. We're squeezing through there. Come on. Oh. Crap. Crap, crap, crap. I'm going to cut through this way. Paid off. Oh. Come on. Come on, you bugger. There we go. Why do I come off worse than he does? And again. Let's have you. Hey, you bugger. He's on fire. He's on fire. One more. And he is finished. It's going high. And he's going to dive. We're going to get him. We're going to get him. There he goes. Get ready. And terrifying. Nicely. Hello. Creepy robot face.